correspondence. He would have upset a lot of people. And they take it out on his daughter? Dive deep into some of the most gripping crime stories. What did you find out about this zombie, huh?
That really caught our attention.
You didn't know the murderer was right here in your neighborhood. You didn't know anything.
I told the officer I'm his wife, and he handcuffed me.
Take 5. Every Wednesday and Thursday on Oxygen True Crime.
When we were doing the Travis video, up to that point in my career, I'd seen depravity and horrible things, but seeing a lot of video and hearing the people's voices, I'd never seen anything that horrific.
What we saw was Marty Travis murdering a black female by strangulation and then talking to the camera.
First kid was 19 years old.
The quiet in that room, that moment, realizing that this man is pure evil.
On that same tape, there's 5 or 6 other women. He would be on camera torturing them while they're alive. He had them handcuffed or duct taped. He made one keep saying to him, "You're my master."
That was horrible. And then you hear on tape one lady pleading for her life. How can you not hurt? How can you not get angry? What happened to him? What broke in his mind?
I've been in combat in Vietnam. I saw some terrible things there, but this disgusted me. When you see what is done to these people, the terror they faced before he finally killed them.
These schools have met every season since 1945. Back here with the coaches, and Eddie, you played as a player. You're now part of this Magic City Classic as a coach. Tell me, what is it like for this to come full circle?
Well, the last Saturday, my girls just want to be with the Magic. Go! She didn't drop that ball. She hit hard.
Group workout, little circuit.
Look out. Oh my God. It wasn't saying no, right? It's like she forgot what she was doing. It was like the ball changed. Man, throw. That was dirty. She needs 2 trainers?
Gee, gotta get fit fast. Gotta get fit fast. Okay, stay fit. We gonna lay up.
All right.
What is this for?
Coins in there.
Oh, it breaks my heart because he's really knocked out.
He's way gone.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, man. Night with your eyes wide open. We'll be right back with more ridiculous things.
Cheaters, don't sleep on Tammy.
We followed him to this sex shop. How dare you? I can't take it no more, Tammy. What you did was foul.
Caught in the act unfaithful. All new Tuesdays at 8.
I've seen grandma.
Can I have your youth?
Sure.
Commit to the Skittles. Keep eating. You live here now.
Best day ever. Commit to the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Fill your potatoes. Oh yes. Fill your eggs. Egg pasta. Hello, creaminess. Philadelphia. A creamy touch of magic.
I can't believe we didn't use that to book a couples therapist sooner.
And this therapist will take our terrible insurance.
Oh, people say that even works makes them feel comfortable.
John Dennison has a certification in counseling for high-achieving couples?
But you've got options. Look now. Are you throwing away money on your car insurance?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing.
Try Insurify. We help you compare quotes and save half on your car insurance.
I like it when things are convenient and save me lots of money.
Go to Insurify.com and save up to $1,000 a year on your car insurance.
Meal kits are the worst. No, really, I've tried them all and they are all the same. But something better has entered the chat. That something is Tovala. Say goodbye to meal kits and say hello to dinner that cooks itself. Tovala takes all the guesswork out of your daily cooking. Just scan a code, sit back, and let the Tovala do the rest. Fresh, effortless meals that cook themselves? Yeah, it's a vibe. It's Tovala. Get started at tovala.com.
tracking every dollar in or out. Download Rocket Money to gain control of your finances.
Tradition unleashes the passion of the dog pound. Responders estimate Tostitos the traditional way, starting with whole corn kernels to make our masa from scratch. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Tostitos. Tradition matters. Here we go, Browns.
Every great performance starts with a great night's sleep. Thanks to new Natrol Sleep and Restore, which helps me be this me. Every great night's sleep starts with Natrol.
New Natrol Sleep and Restore for ultimate restorative sleep. Mary is SpongeBob. Not too boring.